ඔයාලා සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්න අතර අලුත්ම වැඩසටහනක් වුණ අදත් මම අරන් ආවා Apple MacBook පිළිබඳ වැඩසටහනක්. ඉතින් අපි අද කතා කරමු මේ Apple MacBook සම්බන්ධ විස්තර. ඉතින් මම අදත් ඉන්නේ අලුත් වෙළඳසැලක. ඒ තමයි iPoint කියන වෙළඳසැලේ. මිස්ටර් රාහිල් ඉන්නවා මගෙත් එක්ක මේ විස්තර ගැන ඔව් ඉතා පැහැදිලි කිරීමක් කරයි මාත් සමග. Rahil, how are you?
Good, fine. How are you?
That's good.
Apple MacBooks है, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. We have all range of Apple MacBook Pro और Air के साथ. उसमें हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग प्राइस है 799 dirham में हम MacBook Pro दे रहे हैं. और हमारे पास प्रमोशंस और डील्स हैं अभी. हम एक्सेसरीज, सॉफ्टवेयर और जो बच्चों के स्कूल के सॉफ्टवेयर हैं वो MS Office यूजली विद बैग, चार्जर, वायरलेस माउस, हेडसेट और जो एक्सेसरीज लैपटॉप की यूजेज के लिए होती है.
And you have any guarantee also about?
Yeah, we are provide 1 month warranty and 3 month software support. After that also we are helping to the customer, but initially we are providing for 1 month warranty for hardware and 3 months initial support.
Yeah, okay. Just explain about.
Yeah, this is Core i5, 4GB RAM, 500GB hard drive, and then Core i2, 4GB RAM, 500GB hard drive.
This is what the price? This one?
It's 999 in offer right now.
Okay, 999 dirhams.
Yeah.
Okay, and the next one, this one.
This one is dual core, 4GB RAM, 500GB hard drive.
Okay, what is the price?
This one is 699 only.
699 dirhams.
Clean condition.
Clean condition, yeah. Okay, okay. What is the price? This one?
699.
699 dirhams. Okay.
All USB ports and everything working.
Okay, inside, yeah. Okay.
After that we have these two models.
Yeah.
This one is MacBook Air and this one is same MacBook Pro in
MacBook Pro.
i7. Core i7 with 8GB RAM and 256 SSD.
Okay, what is the price this one?
This one is 1499.
1499.
Yeah.
1499.
Yeah. And we have also with different specs with 8GB RAM, 1TB hard drive, 2TB hard drive, i7 with 16GB RAM, 2TB hard drive. Also we have like that model as well. And then after we have MacBook Air, Core i5 with 8GB, 4GB. Also we have storage range as well.
Okay.
8GB RAM, 128 SSD, 8GB RAM, 256 SSD, 8GB RAM, 512 SSD.
Yeah.
So
All of
it's
the you
like-
are giving same warranty, like 1 month warranty.
Yeah, same one. For these models we are giving 3 months warranty.
Oh, 3 month warranty.
3 months
Yeah.
warranty and 6 months software.
This is the MacBook Air.
Yeah. Also we are giving accessories with the MacBook. People who buy the MacBook, we are giving headset.
Headset.
Yes.
Okay.
Wireless mouse,
Okay, wireless mouse,
charger,
charger,
and USB.
and USB also. Yeah.
Yeah. And bag as well.
And bag.
Yeah.
The laptop bag, right?
The laptop bag.
Okay, okay. And what about this one also?
This one also the i7 but with the high specs, 8GB RAM and 500GB.
Okay, what is the price this one?
This one is 16.
160. Like the same this one all of, right?
Yeah, this is i5 but this is high specs in the MacBook Air. It's 1799 price. Also we have designing models, then high configurations as well. Have we looking for the movie editing software, DJ work. So we
Actually,
have
it's coming from USA or
this is coming from US.
US.
Yeah.
So what about this one?
This one is designing machines. Yeah, most probably this is the customer was using for movie editing, video editing,
Video editing,
and designing
for the
purpose.
graphic.
Yeah, for the graphics and also designing.
So
And the type of like heavy work they have with graphics.
what is the price this one?
This price is starting from 3000.
It's starting from 3000.
3, 5, 4, 4, 5 and 5000. So we have machines up to 9000 dirham.
You have packing piece like
Yes,
it's
as well we have new piece packing
new piece, right?
Yeah. MacBook Pro touch bar with the high configurations, open box as well.
Okay.
So some pieces are almost new and open box. This one is Core i7, 16GB RAM with 4GB graphics, dedicated graphics.
Core i7, right?
Yeah, Core i7 touch bar,
Touch bar, yes.
latest model.
Latest one.
Mostly people using this one for designing,
Designing.
for heavy designing.
Okay, this is all the accessories, right?
All the accessories with open box.
And you have headphone also, it's no.
iPhone we are giving with the normal one.
Okay. What is the price this one? MacBook?
This one is MacBook Pro A1707. Its price is 4000 dirham only.
Oh, 4000 dirhams.
Yeah. And also prices depend upon the specification.
Specification,
Mostly
yeah.
specification. It's very on specification. Definitely.
This is also same MacBook Pro?
Yeah, this same MacBook Pro, but it's with the high configurations. This one is i7 with 32 GB RAM and 1.5 plus 4 GB graphics.
32 GB.
Yeah, mostly people looking for this customized model. We have in open box touch bar MacBook Pro. Mostly people finding these machines in use, so we have right now.
What is the price? This
Its price is 6,800.
6,800.
Yeah.
It's for the
For charging.
charger cable.
Original charger. Yes, iPad also we have in use and new as well.
Okay.
So in use we have very cheap prices for the children's. In 16 GB only 150 dirham.
150 dirhams.
Yes, only 150 dirham.
This is
iPad
7
mini.
inch?
Yeah, this is 7 inch and 16 GB and 1 GB RAM. Also we have Mini 2 as well with 32 GB.
Okay.
It's 250 dirham only.
250 dirhams.
Yeah, 250 dirham. Then iPad 4 we have, it's 280 dirham. iPad 4 neat and clean conditions we have.
Yeah. 280 dirhams. Huh?
Yes, only 280
What is
dirham.
this is 10 inch.
This is 10 inch. This 10 inch. Again we have 9.7 inch iPad Air 2. So we have ranges in this. It's 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB and 128 GB.
Okay, you are giving warranty about this one also?
Yes, we are also giving same warranty for 1 month for all the iPads. All the
iPads, okay.
And also we have open box with some Apple warranty.
Okay. Yeah. Then this one what?
This one is Mini 2 and 32 GB. This one we have offer in right now 299 dirham with glass protector, with cover, with charging cable and headset.
Everything is you are giving free.
The free, yeah.
This Magic Mouse.
Yeah, this is Magic Mouse. For we are working with all iPads, MacBooks, iMacs, all. It's working. Magic Mouse 2. We are giving only in 225 dirham in wholesale.
225 dirhams.
Yes.
What about this one?
This one is for iPad keyboard. This one is for 10 inch, 10.2, 10.5 and 10.9 inch. For this
price?
keyboard. Yeah. Its price is 450 dirham only.
450 dirhams.
Yeah. iMac with different configurations and different prices and also different sizes. We have 21 inch and 27 inch. Its configuration is Core i5, 8 GB RAM, 1 TB hard drive. Also we have 27 inch with 16 and 32 GB. Yeah, someone who was looking for the graphics one, so we have also that one. This one we have offer right now with Apple Magic Mouse and Magic Keyboard.
With giving now. Okay.
Yeah, with giving free with that and also Apple wire with it. So its configuration is Core i5, 8 GB RAM, 1 TB hard drive. It's only 1,999.
1,999.
Yeah, it's 4th generation.